I had to come out here and get a video of this because a little while ago they were chemtrailing. You can see some of the remains of the chemtrails here. But now you can actually see the vibrations of waves coming through the atmosphere. This is the first time I have ever seen this over here. Some people are saying that they pump microwave energy into the upper atmosphere, and it makes these waves. Usually you can't see them. This could also be something to do with the solar activity that's been going on recently. We were hit by a double solar flare yesterday, I think. It arrived. Left the sun 3 days ago or 4 days ago or so. But this is really, really weird looking. I'm going to get it from over here because it's really distinct right there. It's just spreading out. Starting to dissipate. You can see it all along here, even way over there. They're being hit by some kind of vibrations, and that's what you see in the clouds when that's happening. I don't know. Anybody got any ideas?